Hey, I'm Clint Cantwell, and today I'm bringing the heat to the backyard grill for some bacon-wrapped cream cheese stuffed jalapeno poppers. These things are packed full of flavor and are gonna have your guests begging for more. So we've got our jalapenos. I've cut off the top, and then I'm gonna use the back of a spoon to remove the seeds and membrane, which is where all the heat is. And then we're going to take little cream cheese and fill that up. Now it's time for the bacon. I've got a pound of bacon here that I'm going to cut in half. And we're simply going to take 1/2 slice, wrap the peppers, and insert a toothpick to hold those together. Over here I've got a jalapeno popper holder that holds them upright. If you don't have that, you can always make your own with an aluminum half pan. Simply cut some holes into the top and you can insert the jalapenos directly into it. And our cream cheese stuffed bacon wrapped jalapenos are ready to go on the grill. So those are our grilled bacon wrapped cream cheese stuffed jalapeno peppers. These things pack a real punch, and I'm sure your guests are gonna love it.